Hello, this is IK from the Kontentgenie team. Kontentgenie is a software that allows you to create powerful ad copies, video sales letter scripts, sales page copies, landing page copies, upsell/cross-sell copies, and email copies across multiple industries in seconds by simply answering a few questions about your product or service. This amazing software also helps you write powerful social media content, blog intro, blog outline, blog outro, product description, and so much more. In this demo video, I'm going to walk you through how the Kontentgenie software works its magic, and you won't need a lamp to make this happen. I'll also show you how you can use Kontentgenie to write high-converting marketing copies that boost sales and increase your revenue. So let's get started. When you log into the Kontentgenie user dashboard, the first thing you need to do is select the content type you want to create. The options to choose from are funnel copy, email sequence, or use our 30+ AI writing tools. Funnel copy helps you write all your industry-based marketing copies ranging from landing page, sales page, video sales letter script, upsell/cross-sell, email sequence, and Facebook ad copy. Email sequence helps you write compelling and engaging email sequence for your email campaigns. AI tools helps you with blog writing, social media content writing, and lots more. But for the purpose of this demo video, we will be writing a funnel copy. Ready? Let's go! When you click on Funnel Copy, you will see a drop-down menu with the options Custom Copy and DFY Copy. When you select the Custom Copy option, you'll be taken to a page where you will see different industries, and we are adding more. Select the industry you want and click on Get Started. Next, you'll be required to choose the copy type you wish to write, and you will be prompted to give your project a name. After that, answer a few questions about your product or service. Then when you're done answering the questions, simply click on the Generate Copy button and watch as the software crafts a sizzling marketing copy for you in a few seconds. After generating your copy, you can rewrite it by clicking on the Rewrite tab to generate a fresh copy, and your marketing copy is ready to produce massive conversions for your campaign. When you are done writing your copy, you can click on the Update Changes tab to move to another page where you will be able to translate your copy into 100+ languages. Here you can also easily export your written copies as doc or PDF with one click. The whole process is as simple and as efficient as described. The email writing aspect follows a similar process and produces similar results. Many thanks for watching.